What's up guys, it's Connor here. We are heading back right now to the wheelie spot from last video. It's another beautiful like 68-degree night, so figured I'd get out, get a little practice in. Sky is looking sweet again. Hopefully there's not too much traffic out right now. Got some football practice going on, but hopefully this will still be a good wheelie spot right now. We'll see how busy it is. All right, let's see what we got today. See what we can't do with that. Oh damn, should have got gas. Oh well, hopefully we don't run out. Jeez, we're like 2 seconds into the ride and the goggles already are having to come off. These are sweet goggles, but like they just don't do well in low light whatsoever. So like once you hit dusk, it's just like pretty hard to see in them. So on the arm they go. Yeah guys, so this was a fun little strip that I was practicing on the other day, so I might as well keep it up, right? Wheelie by the cyclists. What are they doing up here? Like a little bicycle obstacle course. They're just riding their cycles on the grass. I guess this is a parking lot technically. Is he gonna jump it? Yo, he jumped it. A little bunny hop. That's funny. Damn, they aren't too great at bunny hopping those. This is funny. I've never seen cyclists do shit like this, like road bikes. All right, all right, all right. Oh, there's my donut from last time. Ready guys? Here we go. That was weird guys. I always like look to the left of the bike. I was looking right that time, but wasn't bad. What's up? Can you wheelie that thing?
I can, but I almost hurt myself.
Yeah, it's a little scary. Yeah, you don't want. Yeah, dude, when you get back there too, it's scary. I mean, it probably doesn't have that much power either.
This is 200.
Oh, it's a 200?
Yeah, I got like 77.
Are you kidding me, bro? My bike barely does 80. It's a 250, so you're like nearly the same size as mine. Dude, you got the little knobbies? You probably can take that off road. What's the make?
It's a Lance. It's a Cabo.
Okay.
I get a express plate, but I don't fuck with 95.
Yeah, it's sketcy, dude, because these are so light too, though. So like you get blown around with the wind.
Always trade, man. I got 2 of these.
Yeah. Guy wanted to trade his minivan for my bike. Come on now, that takes at least 3 minivans. You should know better. Well guys, it got freaking so dark so quickly, but I'm gonna go to my other street over there, which is where I also practice wheelies all the time. It's a little better lit, so let's get out there, see what's up. We're gonna wheelie into the darkness. The lights just like end up here. Can't see anymore. How to wheelie, guys. Step 1, put on a fire song. Step 2, second gear. Step 3, drop the fuck out of the clutch. Step 4, coast. want to get a view of the moon. It looks pretty cool. I think is that the sun? Oh, it might just be a light. I'm realizing I think it's a street light. Why don't you fill me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down? In case you guys are wondering, this pig takes 87, nothing more. Oh, that was a good catch there. See guys, this is why I hate like winter, well the cold of course I hate, but also because of how dark, how early it gets. Like it's literally 7 o'clock right now, and it's freaking pitch black outside. Makes me just want to go home and sleep. We're still out here, riding, wheeling, getting better. Oh, that was a big bump. These sumo wheels just allow you to cruise. Who wants ice cream? Here, let's just park right here. Look at this view. Yeah, it's a good view. Well guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More to come. Peace.